It's Cliff, and I have the official Sologenic Airdrop numbers, and I'm going to break those down for you compared to how much XRP that you hold and compare that to the USD price that you would receive if you sold today. To be honest with you, the numbers don't look that great, but I gotta give you the raw numbers and just tell you how it is. I'm also gonna go over a little bit of drama going on with some of the exchanges, setting up some shady business going on, but let's go ahead and get into it. So current price of Sologenic, we're looking at about $1.20. So just to get into this, I got a tweet from the co-creator Bob Ross, and he said, the folks who complain about the XRP ratio should understand that there was only 100 million tokens to split, and almost half of the XRP in circulation globally participated. So yeah, pretty much half of XRP users were on this airdrop, and there was only 100 million tokens, so that's why the ratio does not look that great. So there were 340,000 trust lines set up, and 28 top centralized exchanges were participating in this airdrop. Now, there was a little bit of craziness going on with the exchanges. They state that the compliance team at Sologenic has reviewed the top 1,000 wallet addresses with the most XRP holdings to ensure that the Solo airdrop goes to the actual XRP holders. As our team's review, we found that some wallet addresses are believed to be owned by certain exchanges that did not announce the airdrop support. However, they created a trust line to claim the airdrop. As a result, we're glad to inform you that we excluded the following wallet addresses from the airdrop. So some of these shady exchanges set up a trust line, but they told you that they weren't going to participate. So essentially, they were just stealing your Solo. And so I tried to actually look up these 3 wallet addresses here. I went to the richest wallet stats for XRP. And unfortunately, I couldn't find out what the exchanges were, but if anyone is better at investigating this, I would definitely like to know, because we need to call out those exchanges, because that is some shady crap going on. But anyway, getting back to the numbers. So the ratio is going to be 0.00445633828805 Solo per each XRP, which is incredibly low, especially from what we originally thought the ratio is going to be. But I got to give you the raw numbers, so that is what you'll be receiving. Now, if you have Solo, you're still getting 1.24 Solo to Solo. So that's a pretty good deal. Hopefully you bought in at a good price if that is the route you chose to go. Here are a list of the participating exchanges. And let's just get into what people want to see. Let's break the numbers down. So here's my chart. If you have 100 XRP, you're going to get 0.44 Solo, which comes out to about 54 cents. Now, if you got 1,000 XRP, you're looking at about 4.45 Solo, which is about $5.44. If you got 10K XRP, you're looking at 44 Solo, which comes out to about 54 bucks. And if you have 100,000 XRP, you're looking at 445 Solo, which comes out to $543. Now, I was doing this at the current price when I looked at it, which was $1.22. It's been fluctuating quite a bit. It's today I've been seeing it around 100, or not 100, but $1.20 to about $1.45. So you can kind of estimate the fluctuation there, but just still looking at these numbers, it's not amazing, but it's free money, so it's like, okay, I'll take it. I think personally for me, I'm gonna take some of my Solo and I'm gonna try and use it on their NFT marketplace just to try it out, see what happens, But I'm still gonna hold on to the majority of my solo and just try to receive the core airdrop. Now, someone in my comments asked about if there had been any progress made on the tokenization of stocks, and at this point I haven't seen any technical updates. The only updates that I've seen up to this point is just the official ratio that I just gave you. So hopefully we get a little bit more information. Hopefully the official date that the NFT marketplace comes out pretty soon, because it's supposed to be out in January. But other than that, that's pretty much all I got for you today. Just let me know what you think about these numbers in the comments, because I'm sure it's going to be pretty interesting. Thank you.